thought it would be pitiful. God, you are still beautiful. You kissed, so I kissed back. Funny and sad, but it wasn't so bad. A moment of freedom, a familiar track. Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed, we're still the same. Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed, we are still the same. It's new for me taking a break, trying to fix the mess inside my brain and call this forward home. So many things wrapping in boxes, asking for a shell, and I'm wondering myself, who's the possessor of who? Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed, we're still the same. Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed, we are still the same. I've been busy, much more easy to deal with physical things than to maintain a brain that drags me to a ditch. Can't find the ground beneath my feet. I doubt if I ever get out of it. Now I realize all my mess was very organized. The story between us is often not quite as I visualize. Body your eyes, perception wide, my eyes dry. Long time I've been crying. How can I be running if I never felt trying to walk? Not to talk the same talk. Get out of the block and still rock. When it hurts, I'm getting stronger, I'm getting bolder. I fight. It's easy to see what's wrong, I dare you to see what's right. I am what I choose, I've got nothing to lose, cause nothing's really mine. Everything is here for me to shine. Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed, we're still the same. Here it goes again, playing shadows game. Nothing really changed, we are still the same. What could have happened if you stayed? If I didn't turn around, could we have met? Would you notice this girl at all? Would you love her like you loved me? How much is the distance between her and what I became to be? We'll never know who'll be. We'll never know something we'll never know. We'll never know who'll be. We'll never know something we'll never know. Lots of stories would have been told. Pure and young, heal your soul. You don't have to decide, love and free your mind. You cannot control what is already behind. No, no, we will never know who'll be. We'll never know something we'll never know. We will never know who'll be. We'll never know something we'll never know. Guess it's all about the circumstances. Freedom or heavy fences. Look into my eyes, do you see yourself? Forgive yourself, forgive yourself. I could have been her, you could have been me. Part of infinity. singing the same old song we always and never alone. We always and never alone. Above the clouds, we're both toes they cannot touch, and a few years in between. In this stupid game we both can't win. I've been away, had to go to save us all. I've been away when I was too young to really know that I've been away. And I don't know what you're doing. Are you sorry for the time that we've lost? I've been away. All this time I've been thinking about you. I've been away. In my heart I always found you. I've been away, yeah, yeah, yeah. And then we can be in blue. Everything to satisfy you. Cry for me. Cry for yesterday. Cry for me. Cry for me. Cry for yesterday. Cry for me. High on that shady porch, as the dancer front of the king's horse, ashamed of wisdom of the right. Love me or not, you cannot really say. I've been away, had to go to save us all. I've been away, I was too young to really know that I've been away. Don't know what you're doing. Are you sorry for the time that we've lost? I've been away, and all this time I've been thinking about you. I've been away, and in my heart I always found you. I've been away, yeah. I'm the awake, angry and blue. Everything to satisfy you. Cry for me. Cry for yesterday. Cry for me. Cry for yesterday.